Okay, what's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? That's a...
Wow, that comment is unbelievable.
Aaron
I can't say it.
Grapple says something funny from Atlanta, Georgia.
We can't read it, but... Wow.
Yes, yes, and yes. Guys, lay off, okay? Just because Penny plays like an angel, smiles like an angel, makes me feel like I'm in heaven, doesn't mean I'm moving too fast, right?
Come on, Nikki, one little smile. Give me a smile. Where is the smile? Where is the
Only kid I know that didn't smile while eating birthday cake.
Okay, give me a smile. Okay, give me a smile. Give me a smile.
Smile, Nicholas. Smile. I love you, my daddy.
No. Maybe, maybe not.
I love y'all.
No. Maybe, maybe not.
I love y'all.
Together, and I thought we'd last forever, you and I am for so long, I couldn't wait to get your phone call. Dreaming back to makes me feel alright. Tonight you called me on the phone, said you had to stay at home. Is there something I should know? Yeah, I was fine till 7:05. Till she walked out the door and I ran out of my life. And you're gone, I'll move on, but it only would have taken 2 seconds to say goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Night after your phone called, me and friends were hanging at the mall. I was not believing what I saw. Oh, you're holding hands with him and sitting closer than 6 inches, hoping she's not gonna kiss him now. How can I call your friend? You stood me up in the end. I know that it's over, yeah. I was fine till 7:05, till she walked out the door and I ran out of my life. And you're gone, I'll move on, but it only would have taken 2 seconds to say goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Don't keep telling me that you're sorry now. Well, let me tell you how much this hurts me too. Yeah, I was fine till 7:05, till she walked out the door.